Keep your tethering cable and camera port free from unnecessary damage with TetherBlock. Built in both standard and Arca styles, select the TetherBlock that best fits your photography setup. First, route your cable through one of the 3 channels made for medium or thick cables and tighten the TetherBlock to the base of your camera with a screwdriver or coin. Then, simply attach the TetherBlock to your tripod. The TetherBlock Arca attaches to any Arca-style quick-release tripod head, and the standard TetherBlock can be screwed into your tripod plate and attached to your tripod. And enjoy a secured and safe tethered connection.